This is the way to beat egg. Stir it rigorously to the left, to the right to make it smooth. This is the way we roll. And the sausage in the fry pan. And you pour your egg in the butter to fry. This is the way we roll. The egg is almost ready. This is another way to prepare your eggs. Bacon, the sausage is ready too. You're gonna love it. It's ready. For the coffee, allow it to boil. Exactly how to make your coffee. You want to brew your coffee at home, just do it this way. Now look at the water is already here. The food is ready. The breakfast is ready. Yeah, look at. I'm trying to style it. Oh, looks great.